Spray Away Cleaner and Stain Remover is non-toxic and pH balanced. But it will dissolve grease, even old stuck-on grease. And I'm just going to let this sit. Okay, this is about 5 minutes later. Just letting Spray Away sit. I added a little bit of Dawn dishwashing detergent because Spray Away Cleaner and Stain Remover is also a detergent booster. But I don't want to scrub, I just want to let Spray Away do all the work. It just takes time. Or I could scrub it. It's not perfect, but it is a lot better. This, I think, is plastic because it's not touching it. Spray Away Cleaner, Stain Remover makes cleaning easier. Whether it's the bottoms of the pans, the floors, countertops, laundry, it works on everything.